All right, so today I'm going to show you something that Google or Reddit haven't caught on to yet, and really only the best SEOs have. So it starts off in February of 2024, where Google found itself struggling to keep up with OpenAI and all the other large language models. And what they decided to do is partner up with Reddit. The way they did that is basically they said, okay, Reddit, give me access to all your data and all your user generated content, which Reddit happily did. And then what they did in exchange for that, Google now places Reddit high above, most other websites. When it comes to Google searches, Reddit is prioritized, and you'll see a lot of Reddit links on the front page of Google for all kinds of searches. And because of that, there's a trick hidden in plain sight that almost no one is using yet. Most people are missing out on this game-changing opportunity, but here's how you can take advantage. And stick around, because by the end of the video, you're gonna have a strategy that your competitors just won't see coming. All right, so let's break it down to two methods. The first one is the white hat method, which is kind of what Google would recommend, or most people recommend. And then there's a second one that's a black hat. Really, it's more of a gray hat method that is perceivably unethical, but really nobody gets hurt, and it works better. So first, for the white hat method, what you're gonna do is essentially leverage actively engaging on Reddit and subreddit. So what you're going to do is step one, find the communities that are relevant to whatever website you're trying to promote. Let's just say for this video, let's use the example of a local HVAC company in Dallas. So you might find HVAC subreddits or even Dallas subreddit. And what you're going to do is just essentially engage with the community. Whenever somebody asks a question that you can provide actual value to. So let's say somebody asks, what do I do whenever my AC stops working in a Dallas, Texas subreddit? So you could post your reply and say, hey, this is what we would do, yada, yada, yada. And then you can learn more about my services or my company services and post the link. So as long as you provide actual value and you contribute to the subreddit, it's considered white hat. So basically you're just using the website like you're supposed to and contributing value to the users. So the reason why that's working really well right now is, again, because of the partnership between Reddit and Google. So Google sees any link posted on Reddit as a little bit better from a typical backlink perspective. But also what it's doing is that question that you ask is going to come up high on Google whenever somebody searches something like my AC stopped working in Dallas or something like that. Then that Reddit post might show up, and then when people click on it and they click on the Reddit post, they'll see your link on there as somebody that recommended something and on the steps what to do, and also a direct link to your website. And just to be clear, that whole strategy is called parasite SEO, which kind of has a black hat connotation to it. But again, if you use it in that manner where you're actually providing useful value to users, then there's nothing wrong with it. There's nothing unethical, immoral, etc. But it is something that is considered parasite SEO, and it's kind of a trending topic right now in the SEO community. Now, for the gray hat, this is what you're going to do. Number one, you're going to find those relevant subreddits. Let's say, for example, if we continue the case study of the HVAC unit in Dallas, or the HVAC company in Dallas, what you're going to do is you're going to go to a subreddit like Dallas, and you're going to say, hey, does anybody recommend an HVAC company because my AC just went out? Or what is the best AC company in Dallas? My AC just went out. And you're going to allow people to post their suggestions, write comments, etc. And then just let that happen for about a week or two. And then once that dies down, what you're going to do is go back in and edit your original post and say, update. Thanks for all the replies. It seems like the consensus is myhvaccompany.com or whatever your website is. If you do it in that fashion, then whenever somebody searches for best HVAC companies in Dallas and that Reddit post comes up first, because again, Reddit is working with Google, then people click into that post, and very rarely do they go all the way down, scroll through everything. They'll just see your update and say, oh, this is the best one that everybody recommended, and they'll click to it and go to your website. So there you go. That's how you can take advantage of the Google and Reddit partnership to rank your website higher. If you found this video useful, take a moment to subscribe, comment, or just follow me for more videos just like this.